What you say when the customer coming
I
to you?
know.
Put na, put.
I say, my food.
What you say?
My food.
Put? No. In Russian, what you say?
Да.
Куда?
Да, пожалуйста.
What they say?
Да, пожалуйста.
What they answer?
Not answer.
No, they answer. Куда туда?
Good as you.
Куда туда?
I don't know.
Crazy.
Yeah, maybe they don't understand.
Don't understand?
Yes.
But you want to tell them туда, yes? But they say not туда. You tired, yes?
No, it's it.
Not tired. But what you want to say for Russian people? For Russian customers?
No. Not say anything.
Nothing. Nothing.
Nothing.
Next time tell them куда туда.
Good as a fuck.